Did you know that male Amazon parrots are not just great talkers, but also fantastic mimics? They can imitate sounds from their environment, like doorbells or even the microwave. These birds are social creatures, often forming strong bonds with their human companions. In the wild, they live in flocks, which is why they thrive on interaction. Another fun fact: male Amazons are known for their vibrant personalities. They can be quite playful and mischievous, often getting into trouble just to entertain themselves. Plus, they have a remarkable lifespan, often living up to 50 years or more. So, if you're thinking of getting one, be prepared for a long-term feathered friend. Their intelligence and charm make them truly unique pets.